Hello guys, in this video we will see how we can easily set table width in HTML. So before HTML5 we use the table width attribute, but now it is depreciated, obsolete, don't use it. Okay, so now in HTML5 we will use the CSS style, that is width property. So let's say we have the following sample HTML web page, code54.html saved in E drive Amit Things folder. Here it is, code54.html. So now we will run this code, go to the directory, double click. Now you can see a table is visible, but it is not having borders. Let's add border to it as well as width to the table. For that, we will use CSS style. So use the style tag. Here we will set styles for table and here for table header and cell. Let's set for cell first and header red. Let's set the same for table as well. And here now set the width using the width property as I said before and set value as 100%. Semicolon. Now we will save it. Now refresh. Let's see what will happen. So here you can see we have successfully added width. Why we have set 100%? To make it responsive. Now the width is responsive. If I'll decrease the size, it will remain the same. If I'll increase, the width of the table will be according to the size of the tab. So we easily set table border and borders for header and cells. With that, we have also set table width using the width property. Here we have H1 heading team records, then table heading team name and team rank. Here it is TH, and two rows after that. That means three rows and two columns in the complete table. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily set table width. We just use the width property in CSS and set the value as 100%. That makes the table responsive. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel.